Good morning, students. Today we will do the topic this matrices. Today is the part 6 we are doing, and in this what we will do today, that first part is solve equation in matrix form. Equation will be given to you in matrix form, and you have to find solve that. You may given left hand side, right hand side, that you have to solve and find the value of k also, or sometime this you have to prove also that left hand side equal to right hand side also. Find the order of matrix. Here we will do the complex matrix, not a simple matrix. Okay, a group of some matrices will be given to you, and it will make a single matrix, and that order you have to find, so that AB not equal to BA and AB uh, bracket C equal to A bracket BC. This is a associative property that also we will prove here, and we will do many questions related to same type. Some questions also we will solve here. Look here, if A equal to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 and I is given to you a 2 into 2 identity matrix, you have to find K, so that A square equal to Ka minus 2i. This you have to equation is given to you, and you have to find the value of K. So how we can find K? Look here. Here first we write the equation A square equal to Ka minus 2i. So A is what is A square, meaning is A into A into A will do, and in right hand side also you will put this K into A, so K into A minus 2i. Okay, so look here, these type equations we will get, and this equation you have to solve. How we can solve? Look here, first you find A into A into A. How we can find? Look here, A into A, we will do the multiplication. K into A means this is a scalar multiplication, and minus 2 into identity matrix. Look here, this first here row, this is the second row, this is first column, and this is a second column. First row multiply by first column, we will get first element. Okay, that 3 3 is 9 minus 8. Okay, 4 2 is 8, this is minus 8. Similarly, first row and second column you multiply, you will get the first row second column element, minus 6 plus 4. Next is second row we will take, and first column we will take, then we get the second row first column element, and this row and second column we will take, then we will get the second row and second column element. Now look here, here in right hand side you multiply by K only, all the elements you can multiply by K. So you get 3k minus 2k, 4k and minus 2k. Okay, and then right hand side you can add 3k and minus 2 you add, minus 2k and 0 you can add, 4k and 0 you can add, minus 2k and minus 2 you will add. In a left hand side you will solve these. Okay, and you will get this equation, and then look here, this you will compare. These two equations are means two matrices are given equal. These matrices you will compare. So 3k minus 2 equal to 1 you will have, minus 2k equal to minus 2 you have, and 4k equal to 4 you have. So these you will solve these equations, you will get from here k equal to 1. So k equal to 1 is our answer. Here x, y, z, w and p are the matrices given, 5 matrices given, and order of these is given to you. Order of x is 2 into n, order of y is 3 cross k, order of z is 2 cross p, order of w is n cross 3, w of p is p cross k, and here you will use this and you will solve some questions. Look here. Here some questions I will give you. Question number 6 you have to do. 7 you have to do. Here 7 you have to prove that AB bracket and multiply C equal to A bracket B multiply C. This you have to prove. Similarly question number 8 you have to do. Okay, and then question number 9 also you have to do. Look at these, all questions are proved. If you have any doubt in this, you will say me, so we can solve this. Look here, for what value of x there is given to you this 3 matrices, multiplication will be O here. O means here 0 matrix. Okay, so first you will solve this multiplication of these 2 matrices. You will do the multiplications. Okay, how we do the multiplication you know already. How we can do multiplication? Look here, we will do the multiplications by first row you multiply by this column. So 1 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 0 into x, that is 4. Okay, similarly the second row you will take 2 into 0 plus 0 into 2 and 0 into 1 into x, that is x you get. Similarly third row you will take, third row 1 2 and 1 0 and 2, 1 into 0, 0 into 2 and 2 into x, that is 2x. Okay, now these 2 matrices also have to multiply. This is the first row and this is the first column. This you multiply. So 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into x is 2x, 1 into 2x is 2x, and these you have to do plus. Plus means you get 4 plus 4x equal to 0 matrix value is 0. You compare, actually you compare here 4x equal to minus 4. So what you get, x equal to minus 1 you get. Look here, here we have to do this question also. In this question also what is given to you, you can check here. In this question you are given to you that a is given to you 3, 1, minus 1 and 2. You have to show that a square minus 5a plus 7i equal to O. Here left hand side is a square minus 5a plus 7i, and here a square means a into a you have to do. How we can do a into a? That is look here, a into a, how we can do a into a, this is 5 into a and 7i. I means identity matrix. Here you will multiply this first row by first column, first row by second column, second row by first column, and second row by second column. And this 5 you have to multiply all the elements here by 5, and this also you multiply by 7. So what we get, look here, you will get this type matrix, and then you will add this all. When you will add this all, you will get a 0 0 matrix. Okay, 0 0 matrix means this is a O you get here. Okay, I think you understand all these part. Look here, same type question also we already done. One more question I given this. So you will multiply these first two and then you will get this, and then these also you multiply, you will get the last, and here you get the equation, and this equation you will solve, you will get the answer of x. Question number 13, you have to do same as it is. A is given to you alpha, beta, gamma and alpha. You have to such that a given a square equal to I. Then you have to prove from these which one you will get the answer. This is a multiple choice question. And here a square is I, a square you will find. You solve this a square, compare, you get alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 1. You get this C answer is correct. Look here, today you understand this and enjoy this session.